Anyone can be affected by a large-scale disaster, so everyone within the community needs to have a plan. So that involves individuals, your family, organizations, faith-based groups, your businesses, workplaces. Everyone needs to have a plan. In the event of a large-scale disaster, your chances of survival are much higher if you have a plan. You want to communicate that plan with your family and your community and anyone who is a part of your life. Because if everyone is on the same page in terms of your preparedness plan, it will be much more effective. Another part of your plan is being in touch with an out-of-town contact. In the event of a large-scale disaster, cell phone towers may be down, and we may not be able to rely on cell phones to communicate with one another. Also, in the process of planning, you don't want to forget about your pets. That's very important because pets are often a part of our family as well. Particularly if you have an access and functional need or a disability, your pet is your service animal. So you want to remember to plan for your pets too. So having a plan is high priority. It's very important because we never know when a disaster may strike. If you'd like assistance with making a plan, you don't have to be overwhelmed. Help is available. You can visit the website readynova.org to get a template on making your family plan. It's very simple. You just go to the website, click on the appropriate category, and you can get started. And the great thing about that is you can email the plan for yourself and save it on your computer so you can have it all around the year.